Ayan. Papunta kami sa wedding.
Shout
Ito,
out!
Pakisubscribe ka sila sa kanilang mga channel.
Ay, taxi driver.
I don't know. Go inside. Why not? Maybe it's here inside. Let's find Dan. Ang daming tao. Pare-pares natin di alam. Ganda naman dito. Mag-hi naman kayo dito. Hi. Hi, hello. Leia and Yellen Benny. Hello. Yes. Mga vloggeries. Oh. Yan ang mga vloggeries.
Ito pa yung isa.
Subscribe their channel. Charot. Oh yeah. Ay,
Alamig ko naman. Oh, napangalan mo.
hi, pre! Welcome to my channel. Nakasubscribe ka na ba?
Subscribe everyone.
Ano ba yan? Mag-subscribe na kayo sa channel ko. Charot lang. Hello, baby! Say hi!
Mga humahalit dyan.
Say hi!
May sobre siya. Utang na. Dami.
Say hi!
May sobre siya. Baka naman.
You're so pretty naman. Hi!
Lumanda kayo sa
Enjoy. Palakpakan naman. Let's give him a round of applause.
Yay!
Yes, once again, I'm your host for tonight, Mars Napoles, and I welcome you for this amazing celebration of our newlywed, Nate and Nele. Ayan. Are you ready to see our newlywed?
Yes!
Parang hindi. One more, yes?
Yes!
We are here today to witness the celebration of marriage of Nate and Yellen. Marriage is a ceremony that's significant in every culture, religion, generation, and society, despite of our differences. And tonight, we are celebrating the colors of the rainbow. Yes!
Yes!
Love is a greater unifier, regardless of who we are, where we came from, and what we believe in. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our principal sponsor, starting with Miss Cora Piren.
Ganda!
We have Mr. Eladio Perez. So we have Miss May Gabriel.
Ganda naman. Donyang-donya.
We have Patricia Circulado.
Sa mo ng twerk? Twerk mo na. Twerk. Opo, opo. Oh, tapos Yes! Sayaw! 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 Baka Angie yan. Bata, 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 bata.
Let's go with Lexington here.
The amazing newlywed, Lay and Yellen! Yes, palakpakan naman!
Ito man.
Ayan, di ba?
Humina yung sound.
Very nice. So once again, may I present to you our newlywed, Lay and Yellen. Let's give it a round of applause. And for us to be the grace and start our celebration.
Salute everybody. Salute. Salute. Salute.
Ako na mag-video.
Yeah.
Anong tawag doon? Bumirang?
And you are Mr. Boss, this is the first video, this is not the last one. So, we have to welcome them with our great hospitality. Hello ladies, good evening. Someone said hello to me there. By the way, all of you are amazing. Let's stand here. So, we have one of these representative from your group to have a word for our newlywed. Okay, now. Yes, please. Okay, house. Thank you. Let's give her a round of applause. Thank you. Ayan. So ano, chika lang tayo? Yeah. Uy, bakit ako? Wala ka naman.
Tumabot. Dito na, mama. Nagmamit. Wala yung tag-skate sa inyo. Kung inan ako, talagang ako eh.
Nandiyan kami sa unan.
Oo. Pag nandun kami talaga. Rupit lang.
Anyway, this is the gorgeous cake already. A beautiful piece of cake. It's from our chef here, Evan. Palakpakan natin. Okay, so for those Filipino who like to coordinate or any celebrations, please submit to the
May kasamang promotion. Lagi rin yan. Last talaga, Miss Malta.
Dapat ka na, magkaganon daw tayo.
Thank you.
Much awaited.
Yes.
Kami na pala.
The grand finale.
Yes.
Kami na may kasal sa table na yan. Let's go.
Kami na much awaited.
Finish. The finale. Tayo. Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Ay. Game na, oy. Doon ka sa gitna.
Ikaw, sa gitna.
Doon ka sa gitna. Let's go. You're rocking, rock. Yeah.
Hello!
Oh, you're so nice.
Pero bakit? Ano naman daw? Parang ano ba?
Donya. Hello. Welcome to our channel. Charot. Ay, ganda, sarap-sarapan. Oh. Sino ka dyan?
Sakay na.
Oh, binablog ka pa. Ate, magkano po isang soup?
Serve dalawa. May kaso.
Magkano po? Magkano? Ano pong soup?
Sarap yan. Ano? Kamusta na?
Suspect. Guess lang, pero nag-suspect.
Pero sa kakao. Suspect. Gutom na yung mga nasa likod.
Ganda naman, oh. Sexy, oh.
Bakla kurda. Ay! Kuya! Bakla kurda de. Meow! Meow, meow! Alam mo ang ano natin, grabe.
Ito po yung cakes ng wedding. Sarap ba?
Sarap.
Ano masasabi mo sa cake?
The cake, it's
Yes.
so yummy, delicious, and I don't know, I don't understand.
What's the flavor?
I think this one is mocha,
Uh-huh.
and this one is
Red velvet?
red velvet,
And the other one is
this
cheesecake?
One is cheesecake.
Like blue cherry?
With-
Blue cherry?
no. Cheesecake with this one. What's this?
Cherry?
No, it's not cherry.
Nice.
Strawberry. It's berries.
Berries.
Yeah. Guys, just try this one. Look so tasty.
Yung reaction ni Erica.
Ayun, Pin.
Meron na kami.
Meron na.
Ano na?
Nag-ano na kayo?
Mamaya na lang yun. Mamaya na lang. Mamaya na lang. Pag ano na, mas pauwi na lang tayo.
Marami pa po tayong pipito.
Single? Are you single? Single! Sali ka na! Saluhin mo, kanunin mo. ah.
Nagising nilang lahat. Pagwa tayo. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So ladies, this will be the time to shine, okay? So, your name please? Sharon. Sino ba si Sharon? Ilang taon na si Mel? Oh my God!
Kaya kang sa patagalan para sa
You're single. Now, we're just
May kalaban ka na, Ate King.
Listen. Ano yung single? Okay. I'm looking for someone. Okay, alright, I understand. Mother May, 3 years single. Wait, any fans of Brazil? Yeah. Now, for Mother May. Basta mga konti. Go, dapat lang. Palinitigan natin. Good evening, your name is? Priscilla. For Priscilla? For years. Who knows, maybe this wedding will give you a chance to have a partner, right? So the lady in green. Your name? Natasha. Natasha, okay? So Natasha, how long you been single? 8 years? Oh my God. 4 years, 8 years? What's next? But How long? 1 year. Very much right. Okay. That's fine. Now, love yourself first. Okay, Nick. Kasi Razuel, I think na pala person in the lobby. Bakit sa wala ka doon picture? Okay, how long you seen it? That's it there. Okay. It's a language. How long? 2 weeks? Very fresh, huh? That's very fresh. By the way, your words are good. 2 weeks? Okay. Ayan, ikaw. How long? 1 year long? Something. 1 year? Good luck to you. Dati ka pa 10 years.
May mga ka-wives na.
Okay. Next. Cristela. Estela. Oh, Cristela. Mahulog na. So, what do you know niyan? Eh, paano mo linutot ang mga walang jowa?
Mga sis-sport yan sila.
Mga walang jowa, walang stress. Diba? Stress-free. Ayan, madam.
Sis-sport.
Stress sa damit mo. Ganda. Really? Yes, ayan. So, ilang taon lang si Messi?
Sis-sport lang.
Okay, next. Halika dito. Ayan. Annie. 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 Ilang taon na?
Kaya nga.
5 years din ba? Dating or looking?
No!
Looking.
I'm not looking.
Searching or looking? Looking ka mo. Okay, next. Taken. O, di ba na? Taken na pala. Char! Okay. So, ayan. Your name? Lisa. By the way, Lisa is the good singer. She's the she's the one who sings during the Bravo the buffet. Let's give her a round of applause. She's the good singer. She's the one who sang it very okay. Carla. Si Carla. Balita ko Carla. Hindi na babalitaan mo sa iyo. Ano? Kulay na siya. Char! Ilan taon single na Carla? Yun naman sa showbiz. Parang lalo ka na dito heartbroken. Okay. Wait lang. Siyempre, we have more special guests. The most anticipated ano.
I will join girl. Sorry.
Yes, let's give him a round of applause naman.
Uy na.
He can join perfect
Nakita yung-
men.
Hindi na yung lalaki.
He can be actually his
Ay.
person. I'm charmed. Okay, so now, make it cute. I will give you one each, okay? So you have to be extra careful, okay? Ready na ba lahat? Ay, sa energy, ready na ba?
Yes!
Ayan. So wait.
Pwede ba mauna ko sa
Wait.
Bubunutin nila isa-isa. Bubunutin.
Ako mag-a-assign. Para hindi
No! Give us a try.
Oo. Hindi na-guess, new version. New version.
Give us a chance to pick Marky. That's unfair. No.
That's your mother.
pwesto. How lucky you are! Sayang naman! Nagkapalit sana kayo. Yeah. Dapat nag-change sa pwesto. Yun lang, guys. Wala ka. Nowhere! 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 Nowhere!
Hindi ka kaya ipapukuha kayo.
Ay, titig!
Okay? Ready na ba lahat? Ready na? Ready! Higher! Higher!
Higher! Higher! Higher!
What I'm going to say? No, not kamay. Listen to your mouth. Higher, girls!
Higher! Higher! Higher!
Yes! Walang pa naman natin muna sa Ayan! So now, yes! Walang pa naman natin
Yay!
Okay naman. All the single men. I need all the single men. Single people.
Eugene!
Eugene! Tatlo lang kayo?
Okay lang yan. Wala lang. Okay lang yan para katuwaan lang.
Game.
Okay lang. Gaano na? Gaano na? Gaano? Katagal na sila. 1 year. Sino sila ni dito? 1 year na sila si Kuya. Gusto ko yung robot. 1 year. DJ. DJ Ram. Ilan ba kayo single? Ngayon lang din. Diba?
Puro ngayon lang.
Judy, ilan ba kayo single?
Ay!
Totoo ba? Totoo ba yung 10 years? Kuya, how many years was it in ako? 1 year. Pasok kami natin 49 years. Yes, please, sir. How are you? Super, super much. Super nice. Do you enjoy the celebration very much? That's great. That's great. That's amazing. This is your first Filipino wedding. Okay, I hope this is not the last time. Do you have a birthday? Same here. Okay. So, are you into the latest ceremony?
Galingan mo dan, ha?
Sorry for the alarm. You have to pass right here. Maybe like a stop now. Wait na. Kasi also DJ na. Wait. So, while we were passing the ribbon, we were doing a dance. Oh, even a simple movement. That's enough. Okay.
Nani-rehearse ko sa'yo kagabi.
So once again, palakpakan naman natin sila. Ayan, para naman may energy. Bas, yan, saya. Diba kaya?
Huwag magmadali, Dan!
Bakit kumabalik yung partner?
Don't you worry.
Yari ka kay Mai.
Wait lang tayo, ayan. Ano lang, syempre kaya ko music.
So, una lahat. Kaya,